How to check Costco Citi card statements online. Hello everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you how we can find the Costco Citi card statements. So let's just get started. For that, you can head over to Citi.com, the official banking of Citi, which is directly associated with the Costco wholesale as well. So what you can do is head over to their banking website like this, and you will be finding this particular interface. You may do so in the phone or the laptop as well. Now, after you reach over here, look out for the sign in option at the top right. Click on it, and you will be taken to their login page directly where you can use your credentials in order to log in into Costco.com first. I mean Citi.com. So use your user ID and your password and tap on sign on, and you will be signed in into Citi.com. And once you are logged in, you can directly navigate to the statements and documents section within your account dashboard. Once you find it up, you should be able to view and download the past and current statements directly. And that is it. So the thing is, what you can expect on your statements are it provides a summary of your account activity, including payment information such as the new balance, minimum payment due, and payment due date. It also details the account summary, which includes the previous balance, payment credits, purchases, fees, interest, and your credit limit and account credit, and also a detailed list of your account activity, including transaction dates, merchant information, and accounts. So this is how you basically access your statements for Costco City card. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.